Adventures with Leo.
It's another day of adventures with our friends. It seems Lifty is planning something with the little elephant. Scoop joins the conversation. Now they're all gathered around Leo. The little elephant seems very excited. He seems to be inviting them to another place where there's a fun game. Leo asks his friends if they'd like to go play. They all say it would be a great idea. The little elephant accompanies Leo on the way to this new adventure. Wow, this place is full of bowling pins. It seems like what they just found is a big surprise for Lifty. The little elephant is happy that his friends are so excited about bowling. It seems Scoop is getting ready to win. Lifty decides to take the initiative and starts sorting the bowling pins. There are 10 bowling pins that he must place next to each other. Scoop decides to help. They're almost done with the bowling. Soon they can start playing. Scoop says the job is done. The little elephant points out that there's a cart with blocks to mark out the throwing lane. Lifty will take care of that. Thank you very much, Lifty. Now Scoop will be in charge of removing each block to build the lane. With his arm, Scoop can easily pick up each block and place it on the ground. Oh no! Scoop accidentally knocked over some pins. Well, no need to worry. After unloading the blocks, they'll be able to lift the pins again. Scoop is very focused. Now it seems he needs a little help with the cart carrying the blocks. Lifty is helping turn the cart so Scoop's arm can reach the blocks and they can finish unloading. Good job. Now Scoop can finish unloading all the blocks so our friends can make the bowling lane. Little Elephant says he's doing a great job. Scoop continues working very focused. Bravo! He's finally finished, and it won't be long before they can start playing. Leo and Little Elephant help carry the cart. Okay, now it's time to arrange the blocks to design a bowling lane. Little Elephant wants to help, but Leo tells him they'll take care of the job. And once again, Lifty takes the initiative. It's important that this time the blocks are aligned for the lane. Scoop and Lifty do a great job again. It seems they're almost ready. Perfect. The lane and the bowling pins are ready for action. Who will be the first to throw the ball? Little Elephant will be the first to throw. Let's see how many pins he knocks down. He gets ready. Well, Little Elephant knocked over just one pin. He seems a little disappointed. Don't worry, it's just a game. Now it's Scoop's turn. He's very excited to make a great throw. Lifty encourages his friend. Leo encourages him too. Wow, thanks to Scoop's big arm, he made a very good throw, knocking down several pins. After rearranging the pins again, Lifty prepares to make his throw. Lifty gets ready. Well, it seems he didn't score. No problem. Finally, it's Leo's turn. His friends are excited for his throw. Leo gets ready. He takes his position and wow, he made a great throw. Everyone had a lot of fun bowling. After the game, they enjoy some delicious ice cream. Thanks for your great idea, Little Elephant. See you next time.